You know how when you plant a seed in the ground and you are willing to be patient to allow it the opportunity to do what it does before it even shows any of its new plant growth to you, and you don't feel impatience about it, not really, because you understand that there is a process, and you understand that there are things going on that are unseen by you so far, but you're all right with those things that you can't see, because you know that it's happening, and you also know in time you will see it. Well, that really is why you have so deliberately chosen to be in this physical body, on this leading edge, in this magnificent space and time, because you knew that you would be planting all kinds of seeds that you would eventually be able to see sprout and come to full fruition. But in this leading edge body of deliberate creators, we want you to come to a place where you are as excited and involved in what's going on beneath the soil as you are once it comes out into the sunlight where you can see it. We want to invite you wholly into your vortex, where you are such sensitive to energy beings that you're getting as much thrill from the movement of energy, that you are acknowledging the improvement in your own vibrational beingness, and that you are feeling as thrilled by your emotional adventures pre-manifestation as you are by your emotional adventures post-manifestation. You see what we're getting at? We want you to believe it before you see it, and to be thrilled with the belief of it. That's different than seeing it and then believing it, isn't it? And it's also the key to what really big creation is. You didn't come to this body or to this arena to be a mundane creator. You didn't come only to observe and regurgitate. You didn't come to sort into piles the manifestations of the world, putting everything in a pile and then spending your life comparing the piles, evaluating the piles, judging the piles, maybe condemning some piles and praising others. It wasn't anything like that that made you want to be here. What made you want to be here was your first-hand experiential knowledge of what it feels like for an idea to be born within you, and to stand in a place of no resistance, and to feel the power of the energy that creates worlds bursting through you toward the creation of that idea. That's what you came for. And it's such a good thing when you're happy for the sake of being happy, not because something is manifest that then you can focus upon and feel happy about. So, if it sounds to you like we are right now, in the early minutes of our playing together, trying to talk you out of manifestations, that is not what this is about. In fact, more manifestations than you have so far experienced or perhaps even imagined are on your doorstep with easy access once this really sinks in and registers with you. Manifestations all over the place, you'll see.